I've got a very hypothetical.
Yeah.
Suppose tomorrow there is only one vote is required. That in the case of Soos also, that was the case. Suppose one vote is required and Giriraj is elected as an MP. What Ms. Lekhi will do with Giriraj? Tell us. This is very, very important for the country.
What do you mean?
What
do you mean?
Means if he is also elected and there is a
One
tie.
vote for what?
And who,
I mean,
what
by-
actually
by
they will do? Will they
making
take it in the
one
BJP
statement,
or they
by
will kick them
making
out?
One statement, the man becomes
Let them answer, please. Hear her.
Yes. Is that what you're trying to say? I would ask you a counter question. What are you going to do with people like Azam Khan and others? And so
We are not supporter.
so many people who are
We are
talking
absolutely not
about the
supporter.
idea
Throw
of
them out.
India, and definitely nobody is going to go to Pakistan is one part, but people from Pakistan should not be allowed to make India into Pakistan. That is also an idea. And why should we stop at only one idea and not have the heart to debate the other idea?
What
debate
other
it
idea?
openly.
Which
The kind
idea of
things which
India
are
does
going on in this
Giriraj Singh
country.
represent?
Let's debate it. Let's debate
Which?
it.
What is
I
there
mean, we
to
are
debate
all
about Giriraj
argumentative
Singh?
Indians. So let's
What is
argue
there to
about
debate
the
about
idea of
Giriraj Singh?
India,
This is an
the idea of
unacceptable idea.
secularism, the idea how India protects its minority and how India has been converted into Pakistan and Bangladesh, which was very much India. So let's debate all. Let's debate it. Why are we shying away?
Miss Lekhi,
After all
Miss
that
Lekhi,
was
somewhere
Hindustan.
your two positions.
What has happened
just
to
a minute.
Hindustan? Divided
This
into
is the
three
mindset.
parts. What are the
Miss
rights of minorities in those states?
Miss
And we
Lekhi,
just go about
the question
denigrating
was
our
in
own
the
country.
context, you
and
see,
we
this is a-
are an open state. Anybody can enter from anywhere, go out, do whatever, and change the very idea of India and try and make this India into
Mr.
Pakistan or
Padgaonkar wants to say
Bangladesh.
something
Why
to you.
should that be
Mr.
allowed?
Padgaonkar wants to
Let's-
say
let's
something to you.
debate it.
Miss Lekhi, just keep one thing in mind, that you know the easier option is that if you're asked about Giriraj Singh, you say, you know what, let's talk about Azam Khan. You ask Azam Khan, then he says, let's talk about
No, no,
Giriraj
I'm
Singh.
not
I
saying
think,
that.
I
I
think
said
Giriraj Singh is from the
every party-
BJP, and therefore the question is, he's not even from the VHP,
No,
he's from
no,
the
no.
BJP.
I
Dilip
am not
Padgaonkar is asking
defending
you a
Mr.
question.
Giriraj
These
Singh
are
is
some
one
of the
part,
questions that will
but at
become
the
quite
same
important.
time,
Miss
it
Mr.
has already been
Padgaonkar.
answered by Mr.
Miss
Modi.
Lekhi, Miss
he
Lekhi, there were
tweeted
those of
about
us who were
it, and he
completely
said-
incensed when Mr. Akbaruddin Owaisi made statements that were deeply offensive to Hindus.
Yes.
We condemned that.
Yes.
We condemned equally Mr. Togadia
Yes.
for his actions. We are now condemning this gentleman from Bihar who's made two successive statements. I am saying let us be even in condemning anyone who goes against the secular spirit
Absolutely.
of this country.
Absolutely.
We are asking for nothing less and for nothing more.
Please name Digvijay Singh
Adam, can I
also.
just ask Meenakshi a
Please
very
name
civilized
several
question?
others. Please name the other gentleman from the Congress party who's made the statement that secular parties should come together. I think then please be equal-handed on all.
Well,
No, but what, Meenakshi, I just want to ask.
That's sad of the whole thing.
If it doesn't happen, the Giriraj will be free to say whatever he wants to do.
Yes, she has. She has. She has.
Meenakshi,
As a
hi,
party,
Meenakshi, can I ask you
we
a
do not
question? Sabha
support
here.
Giriraj's
Hi.
statement. And
She can't
I
hear me.
said nobody.
Meenakshi, can I
who's
just
in
ask you
India
one question?
is
Can you hear
required
me?
to go out of the country. At the
What do
same
you
time,
mean by
when we are debating
who is
the
making
idea of
India into Bangladesh or
others are permitted to walk
Pakistan?
in.
What did you mean by that? Meenakshi,
Because
Sabha here, hi.
ideas
What did you
are-
mean by
I'll
who's
tell
making
you,
India
I'll
into
tell you.
Bangladesh or
The-
Pakistan? I really want that question answered. Who is making India into Bangladesh or Pakistan?
Responsible statement. Very responsible statement, because the idea of Islam as practiced in Pakistan or Bangladesh is not the way it can be practiced in India. In India, we follow the rule of secularism, and secularism rule applies not only to
Miss
Hindus,
Lekhi, please
but
tell me. No, one second. I want to. No, but please, please. No, one second.
And
One
when
second.
I'm
Miss
talking about making
Lekhi, Miss
to
Lekhi, please
Pakistan,
tell me.
the other
Miss
communities
Lekhi, please
cannot
now.
be
We have limited
reduced
time, so
to
you need to
minorities.
answer my counter
Or
question to you.
minorities' right
Please
cannot be
tell
taken
me.
away. That is
Please
what I
tell me,
mean.
Miss Lekhi, that when I'm one. Just a minute, Miss Lekhi. Please tell me just one simple question. What is what you just said got to do with my fairly straightforward question, which was on Giriraj Singh, a position which even Narendra Modi says these are the kind of statements which are not acceptable. When I asked Narendra Modi about
I am
that,
also
he didn't
saying the
respond by
same.
talking
I am
about those who
also saying
create
the same.
Pakistan and Bangladesh and India. He didn't say that.
Is she coming with any blueprint of the Uniform Civil Code?
Let's hear
I
her.
am
Please.
saying
Anyway.
the same. I am saying the same. I am saying, as a party, we do not support
Okay,
Giriraj's
now,
statement.
I'm totally short of time. Now I'll say one thing at the end. These are some of the relevant issues.
Yes.
We picked up the issue of economy and then we picked up the issue of whether this secular tactic can be used. Make no mistake, if the mandate is for the BJP, then the BJP deserves to form a government.
Yes,
If
we are all
the
for it.
mandate is for
We are all for
X
it.
party,
Yes,
X party deserves to form the
We are all
government.
for it. It's
You can't
democracy.
use the secular tactic to defy the mandate of the people, right?
Absolutely.
Eventually, it's going to be about numbers.
Yes.
And tomorrow at this time, whether the president will have any role or whether the president will simply be inviting a group that has already got 272, that's the big question. 6 a.m. onwards, we are here live. You can be assured of one thing: the fastest, quickest results, the most straightforward analysis, and the first and big exclusives to every side. So till tomorrow morning, and we are coming back to the other debate on the other side of the break, it's going to be a big morning and a great night tomorrow.